ready, grill fans, because we're counting down the best gas grills under $800 that deliver big flavor without breaking the bank. Whether you're feeding a crowd or cooking for two, these picks bring performance, reliability, and value to your backyard. From robust burners to solid build quality, each option on this list earns its place with real-world grilling power. Stick around to see how these grills stack up in temperature control, ease of use, and cleanup. You'll spot features that actually matter. Today, I'm going to be going over the best gas grill under $800 that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Cuisinart Chef's Style Tabletop Grill. This compact 2-burner tabletop wonder is built for quick weekend outings, balcony cookouts, and any grilling moment that calls for simplicity without sacrificing flavor. The dual burner system, you can carve out hot seared zones on one side while maintaining a gentler simmer on the other, giving you more control over steak, salmon, or vegetables at the same time. Stainless steel construction stands up to weather and frequent use, and the hood is designed to trap heat so you can finish a crust without overcooking a delicate center. In practice, the heat spreads evenly across the cooking surface, which helps avoid hot spots that plague cheaper grills. Cleanup feels manageable thanks to a reasonably sized grease cup and sturdy grate that remains relatively easy to scrape after a lively cookout. Assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled dials and an ignition system that fires quickly so you are not left waiting in the rain or cold. The appliance stores neatly on a balcony or in a small patio corner, and its compact footprint makes it ideal for users who want a grilling setup without committing to a full outdoor kitchen. This model suits casual weeknight grilling as well as weekend feast plans, providing enough space for several burgers, chicken thighs, or a handful of kebabs without crowding the table. While it punches above its weight for a tabletop unit, it is not designed for large family gatherings or heavy daily use, so long sessions can push the limits of the 2 burners. Still, for the price, you gain a portable solution that feels sturdy and reliable, with a design that focuses on efficient heat management and a clean, city-friendly aesthetic. Compared to the Endark 3-burner propane grill, which I have included as number 4 on this list, it shines in compact setups, lighter weight, and easier storage when the grill is not in use. At number 4, we have the Endark 3-burner propane grill. Built to balance space, power, and family-size meals, this model packs 3 burners that work together to deliver a broad heat spectrum, from a blistering sear to a steady warm zone for indirect cooking. Hood usually includes a built-in thermometer that lets you monitor temperature at a glance, helping you keep proteins at the perfect stage of doneness. The cooking surface is generous enough for a mix of burgers, chicken, vegetables, and stir-fry in a single session, and the grates are typically porcelain-coated or stainless steel, which aids with meat release and long-term cleaning. Heat distribution tends to be more even across a larger area than smaller 2-burner twins, and the extra burner adds versatility for side dishes or sauces when you are grilling for a crowd. The ergonomic control panel and sturdy legs provide stability on uneven surfaces, while fold-out side shelves offer place for tongs, marinades, and spices during the cook. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to a grease tray that captures drips and reduces flare-ups, and the overall assembly usually takes less than an hour with basic tools. Users appreciate the generous overall footprint for meal planning, as well as the option to crank up the burners for a rapid preheat before searing steaks. With decent weather resistance and a weight that settles into the mid-range for portable gas grills, this Endark model delivers good value for the price. Compared to the Cuisinart Chef's Style Tabletop Grill, which I have included as number 5 on this list, it offers more cooking space and extra burners for larger meals. At number 3, we have the Megamaster 2-burner portable gas grill. Designed with portability in mind, this compact unit balances a modest cooking area with durable construction, allowing you to take it to a lakeside, park, or rooftop party without breaking your back or the bank. 2 burners provide distinct but connected heat control, enabling a main searing zone and a secondary zone for simmering sauces, keeping veggies warm or finishing thick cuts without losing that signature crust. The grill body is typically stainless steel or corrosion-resistant alloy, with a hinged lid that seals in heat and moisture during cooking. The cooking grates, usually porcelain-coated or chrome-plated, release food well while promising easy cleanup after a windy afternoon. Built-in ignition system means you can light up in moments, and a compact grease management tray keeps drippings contained while making post-cook cleanup simpler. This Megamaster model is often praised for its lightweight and compact folded dimensions, which fit under a porch roof or in a car trunk with room to spare for a bag of charcoal or wood chips. Reliability is a common theme, with many users reporting consistent performance across multiple camping and backyard sessions. The downside of compact designs is that you sometimes give up extra features like built-in thermometers or extensive side shelving. but the trade-off is a highly practical setup for whenever space is at a premium. And you compare it to the Endark barbecue grill, which I have included as number 2 on this list. You notice how the Megamaster prioritizes lightness and quick access rather than sheer burner count. At number 2, we have the Endark barbecue grill. This 4-burner all-purpose unit is built for the backyard, poolside, or tailgate with enough space to cook for a crowd while keeping the process organized. The 4 stainless burners work in harmony to deliver a wide range of temperatures, from a hot sear zone to a cooler area for warming sides, with a hood that helps trap heat and stabilize cooking conditions. The grill commonly includes sturdy side shelves, tool hooks, and a large grease tray to make cleanup after a holiday weekend less of a chore, which adds to overall value when you are feeding a full group. The interior cooking surface tends to be expansive, accommodating multiple hamburgers, chicken breasts, and vegetables at once, while the great material resists sticking and cleans up reasonably well with a brush and warm soapy water. Built-in thermometer visibility varies by model, but a reliable hood temperature readout is a frequent plus in this category. Safety features, such as stable legs, heat-resistant handles, and a secure lid, are emphasized to support confident grilling even when you are balancing marinades, beverages, and hungry family members. Those who value social cooking and shared plates, this Endark model offers a robust platform for grilling everything from rib tips to corn on the cob. Compared to the Megamaster gas grill, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Endark barbecue grill emphasizes a larger cooking footprint and more integrated accessories that can elevate weekend gatherings. At number 1, we have the Megamaster gas grill. This model is a versatile 4-burner powerhouse designed to satisfy a wide range of grilling needs while maintaining a practical home backyard footprint. The 4 grill burners deliver ample total cooking power, allowing you to create hot seared surfaces on several steaks at once while maintaining a controlled temperature on the rest of your menu. The cookbox is typically clad in stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance, with heavy-duty grates that stand up to repeated use over many seasons. Front-mounted control panel keeps dial adjustments within easy reach, and a built-in thermometer on the hood lets you monitor heat without lifting the lid. Many Megamaster configurations include a sturdy warming rack, a sizable grease management system, and side shelves that provide space for sauces, utensils, and marinades. Portability is reasonable for a 4-burner unit with robust casters or stable legs, and a lid design that is reliable in windy conditions. For families and enthusiasts who want a reliable, all-purpose grill that can handle everything from grilled vegetables to thick ribeye steaks, this Megamaster model represents a balanced blend of performance, durability, and value. Compared to the Cuisinart Chef-style tabletop grill, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Megamaster gas grill brings a larger cooking footprint, greater burner count, and more integrated features to support longer, weekend cooking sessions.